I'm about to make some yaka mein, okay? Never did it. Make sure you give me a like, subscribe. Let me know if you like it. What you think of it. So, I seen my cousin, she had made some, and I was like, I wanted some yaka mein today, and I told my nephew, I said, let's just make our own, because I always seem to make things whenever he comes. He gets me to try stuff. So, I'm going to show you everything, a picture of everything I'm using. Oh, everything I need. All of these. I'll show them all at the end. I got my shrimp. Already got my eggs boiling. I got my onions. I want some shrimp yaka mein so bad. So yeah. Gotta see where to start. They have some of these in the frozen section, but I didn't get them out the frozen section. This is gonna be, this say it's the quick way. So we about to see how quick it is. Let's see. Udon noodles, you're gonna add a tablespoon of sesame oil. What else? A skillet, boom, water, bam. The only thing is, it ain't telling me how much goddamn water, but oh, I think it just did. I was gonna say, I'm doing guesstimate. Ain't nothing wrong with a little guesstimation. So, it's kind of like, I don't know what to do first though. Like, should I do the noodles? Onions, because these don't look like it's going to take that long. But the eggs are already boiling, but alright. Let me get it together. I cheated. These are already peeled and the tail is already off. I also got these out of the little Chinese market. And go from there and see. So, we're going to see how it's going to do. So, he was supposed to be helping me, but he's on the phone. My daughter says she ain't helping. She just want to know if we putting eggs in it. So, got my little measuring cup. Yes, I do. Even though it says tablespoons, but I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to make it do what it do, baby. Alright, so show you guys everything, then we're gonna get started. Alright, so this is all the ingredients that I'm about to use, and I'm forgetting the onion. Okay, let's begin. So I put the noodles in the pan. I have my eggs over there boiling. I put the sesame seed oil inside of there. I didn't show you all that, but I'm mixing it up. I don't like how they look. They look like a bunch of little maggots or worms, but let's see now. It's coming along pretty good. Everything almost done. And here's the final product. I went ahead and I made me some homemade yaka mein. You can't tell me I ain't doing my motherfucking thing for my first time. It tastes so good. Boom.